Hey, this is Robbie Jeffcoat with BadgePass. Today we're going to look at taking your existing GX1 card printer and performing the Retrofit Cartridge upgrade. So what this will allow you to do is it'll allow your GX1 card printer to take the new Halo card printer supplies. So what we're going to do first is we're going to start with your box. You're going to receive this box that has your Retrofit Cartridge in it. Let's go ahead and open it. So inside you're going to have two things. You're going to have your instructions that you'll be able to follow that walk you step through step. You also have your new cartridge. So we're going to set the box to the side. We're going to open it up, take it out of the plastic wrap. And this is our new cartridge. You'll be able to tell it has the purple spindle on it. Let's go ahead and open up the printer and take out the old one. They look very similar, as you can tell. The old one is blue, the new one is purple. What we're going to do from this point is we're going to go ahead and we're going to apply our new ribbon to the new cartridge. And then we're going to roll it up and put it back in the printer. Now we are not done quite yet, so you'll want to follow the instructions that are in this guide. We're also going to walk you through this. So the first step is you want to find your IP address. So you can actually find your IP address at the front of the printer. So at the front of the display, you want to press the down arrow twice. 1, 2, and that's going to show your IP address. Now if your GX1 does need to be connected to the PC so that your IP address populates. Go ahead and write this number down. You're going to need it in just a second. In just a moment, we're going to switch over. We're going to show you what you need to configure from a PC side. So keep that IP address handy. You'll need it real soon. Once you have your IP address, you're going to want to go and open up your latest internet browser. And you're going to go to the address bar and type in https:// followed by your IP address, which again is found at the front of your LCD screen on your GX1 card printer. So once you enter this, you're then going to press enter. What this is going to do is it's going to pull up this window. It's going to say your connection isn't private. So we want to click on advanced and we want to click continue. What this is going to do is it's going to bring you up to an option to log into the printer. So you're going to be able to log into the printer. This is where we will go in and change the type of ribbon that will be accepted. So for username, you want to go to web admin and click login. Once logged in, you want to go to the top. You'll see printer settings. From here, you want to scroll down to print. From this point, you'll want to scroll down until you'll see supply level. So we're going to scroll down. You'll notice that it is currently 1. We're going to change that to 2. Scroll down some more until you select the Set Current button. You'll notice a yellow updating box showing that this is currently being updated to the printer. And this is now complete. Congratulations. You've now updated your GX1 card printer to be able to accept Halo ribbon supplies.